Alright, so what if I told you that you can build a full 3D cartoon animation characters, lip sync everything, using tools that cost you absolutely $0? Yeah, no animation degree, no expensive software, just AI doing the heavy lifting. But here's the real problem nobody talks about. Most AI animations fall apart because characters look different in every single scene. That ruins everything. So today, I'm walking you through the exact process I use to keep characters consistent, scene after scene, start to finish. Here's what we're making today. Check this out.
I wish somebody stayed. You're not scared of me? You can come closer.
Okay, let's get into it and drop it into ChatGPT. What comes back is your entire project plan's story, character descriptions, image prompts, scene breakdowns, even the image to video prompts with dialogue baked in. You're not guessing anything. Everything is mapped out before you generate a single image. Open Google Flow, switch to Nano Banana Pro quality, and paste in your first character prompt straight from ChatGPT. What you get back is a proper 3D style character. Solid lighting, great textures, animation ready. Do the same for each character one by one. Even detailed characters like animals come out looking sharp and expressive. Now, pull each scene prompt from ChatGPT and generate the images in Google Flow, one by one. The environments look cinematic, the lighting is consistent, and most importantly, your characters look exactly the same across all 12 scenes. That consistency is the whole game. Now, you need to switch from image generation to video generation. Upload your first scene image, paste the matching video prompt from ChatGPT, and then hit generate. Within minutes, that still image is moving. The character's face is reacting, the mouth is syncing up with the words, the whole thing just feels alive. It's honestly kind of wild the first time you see it work. Now just repeat that same process for every scene. Upload the image, paste the prompt from ChatGPT, generate the clip. That's the whole step. And because your entire plan was locked in from the very beginning, every clip you generate feels like it's part of the same world. Same characters, same style, same story. Nothing feels random or out of place. Okay, so after doing that, I imported all the scenes into CapCut Scenewise and added transitions along with some basic editing. And yeah, I'm not showing the editing process because it's a very basic thing. Now, our final result is ready. Full video link is in the description. Go watch the complete version. If this was useful, smash that like button and subscribe because there's a lot more of this coming. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. And the master prompt, it's right there in the pinned comment, ready for you to use. See you in the next one.